without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Welcome back to my channel. I am Jabre, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install and style this hair from Westkiss hair. So thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. I will have all the information on this hair linked down below. So I'm not going to ramble too much, but make sure you check my description box for a coupon code, and they will be having a Black Friday sale, so do not forget to go down there. But make sure you guys go ahead and thumbs up this video, and also comment down below and tell me what you guys want to see next, and also subscribe to my channel because my Cash Baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you lit too, and that's on what? That's on period. Let's go ahead and hop right into this video. Alright, so let's get started installing this wig. So the first things first, as you guys can see, I have already put on my wig cap. Now I'm just going to apply some makeup, and I like to use a powder because it's easier to work with. And you want to make sure that this is super duper close to your skin tone and put it all over the cap. And then I'm also going to put some makeup on the inside of this lace as well because it is very light, and as you guys can see, it is not going to match to my skin tone. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this same powder all over the inside of the lace. Now I'm going to go ahead and clean my skin with some 91% alcohol. This is just going to remove any makeup and oils before I start to lay down any glue. Alright, so today I'm going to be using the WIG Fever Glue, and I'm just going to go in with about 2 layers of this stuff, and I'm going to smooth it out really well and make sure that each layer of glue dries separately. You want to make sure that the glue is 100% clear before you apply the next layer, and of course before you apply the wig on top. Now I'm going to go in with my second layer. Alright, now let's go ahead and flip this lace back down. And I like to go from side to side when laying the lace, and I do a slight tug to make sure that everything is laying where it's supposed to be. And I'm just going to take my comb and go ahead and push that in. Okay, so they sent me a wig band, so now I'm just going to take it out of the pack, and I'm about to use this to go ahead and tie down the lace so that the glue can dry while the lace is on top of it. So I'm just going to go ahead and section off my hair and get it out of the way, and I'm going to go ahead and fold this wig band in half and secure that lace. Alright, now I'm going to lay down the hair, and I'm just about to start styling it. I am going to leave these curls that are already in here. I'm just going to try to like fix it up and fix the part and everything and make sure everything is looking good. But for the most part, this wig already came pre-styled, so all I really have to do is touch-ups. All right, so before I comb out these curls, I'm gonna go ahead and attend to this lace. So I'm gonna zoom back in so y'all can get an up closer look. So this is what the lace is looking like. Now I'm gonna go in with a razor and go ahead and start cutting it. All right, so now I can go ahead and start to comb out these curls. Alright, so here are the curls and the finished look of the hair. I'm just about to put on some quick makeup so that you guys can get like the full look of the hair, and then I'm gonna be right back. Alright, so y'all, this is the finished look of my hair. It is literally the cutest. I love the way my curls came out, and overall I can just tell that this is some really good hair. I love how easy it was to install and style it. I did not have to bleach or pluck the knots. This is the wig straight out of the box, and I just touched up the curls that were already there, and this is where we are. So if you guys want to purchase this unit, I will have all of the links down below, as well as the coupon code, so do not forget to go down there. And they also will be having a Black Friday sale, so do not miss out on that. But that is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it or learned something. If you did, please do not forget to give me a big old thumbs up, and also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you lit too. And that's on way. That's on period. So yeah, y'all, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.